How to search files in Cam Scanner application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can search the file in Cam Scanner application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. We have to open the Cam Scanner application, and you can see that I have different files. So guys, most of the people have the big list of their files. That so if you wanted to get access to any of the file, any of the old files, so all I have to do is, you can see the search icon at the top of the screen. You have to tap right here on the search bar, and you have to search for your file name. So let me type any of the file. So I have my file option, so you can see if I type my file, I will get my file. So this is how I can get access to my old files by searching on the searching bar in Cam Scanner. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.